Hello everybody, Teacher Orlis here. This video is about the latest update in your level. So just recently, the management changed some of the information I shared to you early this morning during our first online meeting using the MS Teams. So the information I shared to you, some of them are no longer effective. Hence, listen carefully and jot down the important information that I'm going to share in this video. Without further ado, let me begin. What should I know? Or what should you know? Of course, important information worth knowing is the key thing here. Before we start with our level, we need to know what are the units that we are going to have, what are the requirements we are going to pass, and what marks we need to have in each particular activity. So these are just the information or basic information that you need to know in able for you to complete level 3. But actually, this is the general information for your level. So take note of the following. Number 1, only 2 live classes. This one is changed to 5 online classes per week. So what does it mean? It means that you have the regular online classes. So from Sunday to Thursday. So you have 3 reading and writing online classes and 2 listening and speaking online classes. So total of 5. So take note of that. That's the change the management made a while ago. Then the 4 macro skills, the same. You have the courses, reading and writing, listening and speaking. However, this time, only one teacher will handle all those courses. Unlike the one I mentioned to you that for the reading and writing, it will be me. And for the listening and speaking, it will be the other teacher. So forget about it. It will be only me. So your teacher for reading and writing and listening and speaking will be only one teacher. So is that better? I think so. It will be easier for the teacher and for the students to make the online classes, because if you have 2 teachers, so one teacher will send the link and the other teacher will send the link, and you will get confused. At least this one teacher will be able to manage everything, okay? And you will be able to receive one particular email from the same account from this teacher, okay? Let us continue. Materials in Moodle is the same. So whatever I mentioned to you about the video file, about the audio clips, exercises, worksheet, etc., PowerPoint, those are the same. You need to accomplish them. You need to visit the Moodle and check out the contents of week number 1. So you can see there in the reading and writing what are the materials for week 1, and also for the listening and speaking what are the materials for week 1. And you have to accomplish them, just like what I mentioned earlier this morning. The number 4 is the same, but this time I'll be handling your listening and speaking class. So I'm going to give you topics that you are going to choose from, and then once you selected a topic, you start making the content of your topic, and then you record your video. Like what I said, I'm going to send to you the website of the video recorder or the software program that you can use to record your speaking presentation. So right now, actually, I can give you the website so you can write it down. www.obsproject.com. Okay, let me repeat. www.obsproject.com. So visit this website and you can see there the download. You have 3 bars there actually for the Windows, for Macintosh, for the Linux. So definitely in your laptop, most likely you are using the Windows program, right? So you click that bar for the Windows program, download it, then after that install it. Once it is installed, I'm going to send you the tutorial video how to use that OBS Studio, which is the software to record like this. The one I'm using right now for this recording is the OBS. In your case, no need for you to do the video capture in your speaking presentation. You can just record your audio and that will be it. That will be okay, right? But also it's okay if you're going to record your presentation per se. You're standing, for example, in your house, you are there, you're doing the presentation as if you are in the class. You want to record the full audio and video, and that will be great, right? For number 5, writing tasks, it's the same. You're going to write all your tasks, all your essays, and submit those to me in the MS Word file, not in handwritten. It should be in MS Word file. Type it using the worksheet that I'm going to send to you. The worksheet will be MS Word file. All you have to do is to type your essays there and send it back to me for my checking, and that's it. Number 6 is the same. Materials mentioned must be completed first before you attend the online session. So meaning, our topic, let's say email, next day. So before that next day, you have to read the video guide and you have to answer some of the questions there, the exercises for that particular topic about email. So that when you attend the online class the following day, you are ready. You have the ideas and you can participate, because one of the marks there is about the teacher in class marks, which is your participation. So if you are active in participation, definitely you can get higher marks on that particular category. Number 7, before the online lesson, your teacher will send the link by email or Moodle. It's the same, but email is preferred because it will be easier. You have your mobile phone with you. Every time I send the email to you, you can easily get the notification, right? You just open your mobile phone. So it's easy, meaning it's easier than Moodle. Because in Moodle, even you have your mobile phone, you still have to open the web browser and go to Moodle just to check the link. So every time I am going to send a link, it will be through or via email. So always check your email. Number 8 is the same. For online activities, always observe the standard protocol and professionalism. So your video must be off every time there is a presenter, whether it is a teacher or a student presenting in the online class. All the video must be off. Even me, if the one student is presenting, I'm going to turn off my video and I'm going to mute my audio so that that presenter can do the presentation without the problem, without the technical glitches. Only the time that you're going to unmute, or let's say you're going to turn on your microphone, is if you have, let's say, the questions or clarification to make, or let's say the teacher asks you to speak in our discussion. For example, I created the breakout rooms, the channel. Let's say 3 channels there, 3 breakout rooms, and I ask you to join and you are going to present. Of course, you have to turn on your audio. But during the presentation, during the, let's say, the review, the recapitulation of the topic for the online session, everyone must follow the protocol, the standard protocol of video off and audio off. Okay? You can use the chat box in that case. Number 9, always complete the post-lesson task or the after-lesson task. It's the same. After our discussion, after our review, definitely I'll give you extra exercises that you're going to answer. So you have to answer the post-lesson task. Number 10, attendance is recorded in MS Teams. It's the same. So once you attended the session, your name is recorded there. So after I close the session, so I'm going to download the attendance, and if you are not there, definitely it will be recorded, and that is part of the teacher in class marks. Now for the delivery and assessment, so materials are posted in Moodle. So same thing, the one I mentioned to you, all the materials are posted there, video, audio, PowerPoint, quizzes, etc. So you can find those in your Moodle. Now, 11 weeks of teaching, it's the same. So in case they are going to change this, I'm going to notify you again through email. Then 2 weeks for examinations, one for the midterm exam, that would be 1 week, or the progress test, and another 1 week for the level exit examinations. That's why you have the 2 weeks for examinations. So this one, no need for me to explain the course delivery plan because you can find it in Moodle. And I believe the coordinator will make the update for the course delivery plan. So if there is an update or if it's already updated, automatically the coordinator will upload the latest CDP or the course delivery plan, and you can just check it out and know the contents. The delivery plan is about, the week, what particular unit for reading and writing, listening and speaking, what particular topics, what are the activities you have to accomplish. Okay? It's available in Moodle. Just visit Moodle and check that particular activity. Now, if you have the question, of course, this is the video. You cannot ask me a question, but you can send me a message or send messages to me about your questions or clarifications. So once I receive your email, your question, I'm going to answer it immediately. All right? So welcome to level 3. Once again, thank you very much for joining the first online session a while ago. And I hope that we're going to have this very active, collaborative, participative. What else can we say about doing the RTL, remote teaching and learning? We need to be very, very active in doing this because, as you know, learning matters. And at the same time, we should not neglect our learning because of pandemic. We have to beat the pandemic through online learning, right? We are staying safe. In your house, you can be safe. At the same time, you can learn many things. So don't miss the chance to learn doing online, right? And it's easy actually. You just stay at home and you learn, and the teacher also in the office or in the classroom teaching online. So that will be great. We need your support, of course. The students must support this particular program platform, the online teaching, to make it very successful. So without the student support, definitely it will not work out well. All right? So if you want to learn and if you want the institution to help you out, so you need to be active, you need to be very participative, and you need to collaborate with your classmates and with your teachers about your level 3. Okay? So until next time, we still have many things to come. We still have many sessions to have. We're going to meet, definitely. You're going to see me many times doing the online teaching. So that's all. Thank you. I hope you found this video very informative and very helpful. Okay?